Hi. Hello, Foodies. Welcome back. To those of you that have been watching my videos, welcome back. To those of you that are new, we're doing our Pringles. It's a Scotcha. As my daddy would say. It's a Scotcha. And we're doing a Scorchin Cheddar. Oh, it's red. Ring the alarm. Ring the alarm. Bring, bring, bring. It's red. It's red. Do we need to call the fire department on this one? Okay. The fire department. So, the first thing that I do taste is actually the cheddar cheese, which has a little saltiness to it, or creaminess to it. And now I'm picking up the back end of the spice near the back of my tongue. So, as I eat it, but it's not an uncomfortable spice. I would say, it's kicking up. Oh, it started off as like a baby spice. Now, I'm getting into scary spice territory. Kicking up. It's kicking up. It's kicking up. I need to cool it down with my favorites.